beautiful. I love. Happy Loi Krathong Festival, guys! Sawadee ka. Hi guys, welcome to Streetwander channel. My name is Opal from Bangkok, Thailand. Today we're here at Wat Arun. We're here to experience the magical Loi Krathong Festival, guys. So let's go explore this special night together. This festival, guys, is celebrated throughout the country. You will see krathong being sold on the street, in the market, everywhere. In Bangkok, you can go to Icon Siam, Asiatic, and many of the other small temples around Bangkok. But I chose Wat Arun because I want to take you back in time and show you the traditional way of how we do festival. Loi Krathong Festival, guys. Loi means float. Krathong is this basket in the flower shape like this. And this is my krathong. I bought it for 200 baht, guys. Traditionally, krathong is made of banana tree and leaves. But this version is made of corn leaf and coconuts underneath. Let's go, guys. It's full moon, guys. Loi Krathong Festival is celebrated on the 12th full moon of each year, guys. It usually falls in November, and it's a beautiful and memorable festival, guys. You will see so many people coming out, enjoying this festival, wearing Thai traditional like me, getting some good photos, enjoying the full moon and the street food along the way. So guys, to save the water, we're not allowed to put the candles and the incense stick in the water. So I'm just gonna pull them out, and then we're gonna float the krathong. Let's go. Traditionally, guys, we are closer to the water when we float the krathong. But because Wat Arun, the water is further down, so this is how we're going to do it. Water is always a part of Thai people, guys. We live by the canals and river. We drink the water, we shower, we use it for travel and trade. So once a year, we have this festival to give thanks to the goddess of water, which we call Phra Me Kong Kha, guys. To give thanks and also apologize for any harm caused to the water. And next, let's go explore the food. 50 baht. Real coconuts. Of course it's real. Alright, I finally get to sit down, guys. It's just so crowded here. And here is som tam pu, which is a papaya salad with fermented crab and with fried chicken. Ta-da! 65 baht. I love som tam.
กระทรวงวัฒนธรรมโดยกรมส่งเสริมวัฒนธรรมร่วมกับหน่วยงาน
I never thought I would be having some tam in Thai traditional dress at Wat Arun. Memorable experience.
บนเวทีค่ะ
Fried banana 30 baht.
จากวงศิลปากรนะคะแล้วก็วันนี้ค่ะเราได้มีการรับเชิญศิลปินนะคะน้องมันทองคำค่ะมาร่วมขับร้องบทเพลงด้วยย้อนยุคต่างๆนะคะวันนี้
Alright, this is so good, guys. Crunchy, soft inside.
นะคะว่าเราจะนำวงไม่ได้แต่ว่าวันนี้ค่ะ
You have to eat it right away from the pan. Alright guys, I would like to thank Glory Thai Traditional Costume Rental Shop right behind Wat Arun Temple, alright? I got this dress for 200 baht and the hair 50 baht. So 250 baht only, guys. If you are interested, I will leave the location and the rest of the details down in the description. There you have it, guys. Loi Krathong Festival at Wat Arun. If you enjoyed this magical night, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. สวัสดีค่ะ